Hello, Bob's Repair community and Rewards.com community. We are here at Money 2020 in Las Vegas, enjoying this wonderful conference, meeting with partners and making partnerships with the financial processing sector as well as the crypto sector. We're excited to announce that we're now in the process of hiring another operations manager and growing the company's procedures and services for contractors and customers. So there's going to be a lot of cool things coming out from the Bob's Repair side. And here we have Rewards.com, Todd Rowan, to say a couple of things.
Yeah, how you doing? This is Todd Rowan, CEO of Rewards.com. Hey, we're here at Money 2020 with our partner Dash. This is a great conference. In fact, we got a young lady over here that I know very well from Rivets. How are you doing? What do you think about this conference?
Excellent conference. Very interesting.
Very
Lots
good.
of good contacts.
Yes, there is. So there's a lot of great context. What I'm really excited about is last year this time in Money 2020 is very, very small segment of crypto community here, almost none at all. And everybody's talking about coming. Dash booth was here, and they'd come up to the Dash booth and say, well, what really is this? What do we do? Now everybody knows what it is. There's a large crypto community segment here. Next year, the crypto segment is going to blow this conference out. We all know fintech and money transfer services is a big use case of crypto. We also think rewards is the next biggest use case of crypto. So this conference is I'm really looking forward to next year and seeing what happens here. How about you?
Absolutely. We're seeing, initially when I came in, I thought it was more of a traditional environment, and we're seeing more and more requirements around loyalty programs. Crypto, I must have had 15 people come up and talk about different loyalty programs and requirements around that space.
Yes.
In the crypto space, in the fintech space, and also talking about the different currencies. It's not just fiat or dollars any longer. It is all around how do I start to have security around how do I exchange my assets.
Right.
So it's very much different, and I think the environment's evolving and it's kind of exploding today.
It is, and this is a testimony to crypto overall of how it's coming in more and more into the mainstream.
Absolutely.
Every year. I think next year is going to really be our big breakout year. So this is the Dash booth here. Well, step away from this for a minute. So we got get a good picture here of the Dash booth. We've got Identity Mine, which is actually one of our partners just around the corner. I know the Rivets booth is here somewhere. So it's a huge conference. I don't know how many square feet this building is, but it goes on forever, and there's everything in the world here. So it's very exciting things. Amex had a long talk about blockchain and crypto and what they're doing with it. So we know crypto is really infiltrating the whole community. So we're very excited about it. Very excited to be partnered with Dash. Right now you can go on to Rewards.com and earn Dash. We're working on solutions to be able to use Dash as a payment option and earn back rewards. So we're very excited about that partnership.